guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing another Zaful haul. As you guys know, I love shopping there. I love working with them. I think their clothes are really great and cheap and affordable. Zaful is actually celebrating their 4th anniversary, which is super exciting for them. And to celebrate, they are going to be having a huge sale. So be sure to look out for that. I believe it is June 8th to the 25th. So keep that in mind. Mark it in your calendars. As always, I will leave all of my measurements and sizes in the description down below so you can compare your body to mine and figure out your sizing kind of based off of that. Let's get to it! So first off, I have these white kind of silky flowy shorts and they have a belt that ties around the waist. They are called the smocked belted high-waisted shorts and I got them in white, obviously. These are actually a one size fit all, so I was a little bit skeptical to try these, but they actually fit me perfectly, and I do think that even if you are bigger than me, you still have space in these and your butt won't be popping out. The material isn't like super thin silky, it's actually like a really thick kind of silky material, which is amazing because with white shorts you won't see your underwear, and that is a huge problem with white bottoms in the summer. And yeah, I did not see anything in these, so that was amazing. These were $15, which is amazing. So good. In the try-on, I have it paired with this super cute tube top. It is called the Python print crop tube top, and I got it in a medium, but I definitely could have did a small. I was just worried that their sizing kind of runs small, so I did a medium to be safe. But yeah, I could have did a small. I think it's very true to size. I think this outfit is adorable together. I think tube tops are such a trend for spring and summer, and I've already been wearing the heck out of the trend, and I usually just have like white and black ones, so I thought this would be a fun print. I never do anything snakeskin. It was definitely daring, but I love it and it looks so cute together, and I could just see myself on like an island on the beach just rocking my tan and some animal print. It's pretty thin, but I have it on in the try-on without a bra and I was a little bit worried, but I think they look fine. I think it looks fine. But yeah, this was $12 and I am very happy with it. This is another top that I am so happy with. You guys know I never wear color and I never wear prints, but I was daring this time around and I got this green printed kind of halter shaped top. It is called the printed tie back halter crop top. This was $16 and I actually got it in a size small, I think, which was kind of daring of me, but I gave it a go and it fits so perfect. I think if you are any bigger than me, you should size up just so that you don't have any accidents of them falling out anywhere. But yeah, the material feels nice. I think it's really pretty. It looks really nice with the white shorts that I have, as you can see in the try-on. And I think this is like a really good dressy piece for the summer. I don't really have a lot of dressy stuff for the summer, so I am trying to elevate my style a little bit. Just for those times that you just need something kind of nice. So as I mentioned, I'm trying to work some color into my wardrobe, and one of the top 2 colors that I'm feeling this summer and spring are yellow like mustard and red. So I'm in love with those 2 colors right now, which is weird for me to say because I only wear white and black and gray. I have this little mustard colored crop top. It is very basic. It is called the ribbed fitted crop tank top in mustard. Wow, that's literally what I just described it as. This is $13 and it is one size fit all. If you have any bigger boobs than me, I don't think this is going to work for you. They will definitely fall out, but if you are my size or smaller, it will be perfect for you because it is very short. Just keep that in mind. I don't think this is my favorite of the group just because I think the color just kind of does not much for my skin. I don't know. I think if you have a darker complexion or maybe even like a super light complexion, this color will look very pretty on you. This is so funny because this shirt is almost exactly the same color as this shirt, but I love this one. Like, I'm in love with this one. I think because it has like the white details, it kind of breaks it up on my skin so it doesn't all just look like one big yellowy mess. This is called the Embroidered Ribbed Crop Cami Top, and it is one size fit all again. The embroidered part says Paris with a flower as the eye. Yeah, this fits me perfect. Like, I don't have to wear a bra with it because it is that perfect amount of tightness that it just keeps everything secure, and it fits me so well. I'm in love with it. This one is $12.90 and I think it is absolutely worth it because it's so cute. This next top is called the Satin Oversized Cami Tank Top in red, and it is $15, and I believe I ordered it in a small, but I think this is a medium because it is pretty big, and this label says medium. It is very oversized, and it is not my favorite shirt just because it's not really my style. I don't know. I like red and I'm trying to try red, but this is not the way to do it for me. I don't know. It is cuter if you tuck it into something, but as far as just like leaving it out and just free for all, it's not my favorite. But it is nice quality and the material feels nice, and they actually have like a second layer over the boob area, so you can do it with no bra and you have that extra layer of protection. I was so scared to do bottoms from Zaful because this booty is unpredictable, but we have such a winner with these shorts. These are called the High Rise Denim Shorts in black, and I got them in a size 29. I went with the biggest size possible just to be safe. They are so stretchy and so high-waisted and very flattering. They are the perfect length so your butt cheeks are not falling out, which I am too old to have my butt cheeks hanging out anymore. You young girls can rock it, but I cannot. They're super comfortable, super stretchy. I probably maybe could have even sized down, but I don't find a problem with it. They're perfect. They are $21 and I think definitely worth it. These are like something you would buy in a store, probably even better quality than some of the stores out there. If you are a fan of my hauls, you know it is time for Cassandra's daring purchase of the haul. And chose a pair of jeans. That is the most daring thing I could have done on Zaful. These are called the Destroyed Floral Embroidered Pencil Jeans, and I got them in a size large. It says that it fits US size 8, which is approximately my size. The material did say that it was cotton, which made me believe that there is probably going to be no stretch to them, but I went for it anyways. There is not really any stretch to it, and I was right. So they have this embroidery on the side. They have rips all down the front, but not too many, and the leg is kind of that like tapered mom jean fit, which is so in right now, so I thought I would give them a go. I got them up and I got them done up, but they sit very low on my body. They definitely were not a high rise. My butt and thighs were just too big for it and they didn't fit me. If you are smaller than me, I think I would recommend to try these. I think they're cute and they have the potential to be high-waisted. That's the thing. They just wouldn't go up on my body because I was too large for them. But yeah, I think they're super cute and I'm a little bit bummed that they didn't fit, but I kind of expected them to not fit. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you loved it. Don't forget to check out their 4th anniversary sale coming up soon. Leave your favorite item of the haul in the comments down below. I love to see what you guys are loving and what you guys are hating. I will be back very soon with another haul, so be sure to push that notification button so you are notified the next time I upload. Make sure to follow all my social medias in the links below, and I will see you guys next time.